Alright guys. Oh, snake. Damn, snake got must have got waterlogged or something. I don't know. Anyway, this used to be a road. It's not a road anymore. Half of the road's gone on this side. And it is gone way down. It's like the ocean has took this road over, guys. I mean, you can look down through there, the power poles are about to break off. It's crazy. Hurricane Dorian. This is his fury. Hurricane Dorian. Destructive here on this island, guys. It is crazy. I mean, the road is gone. Just, I mean, disappeared. It's crazy. I'm gonna try to go down as far as I can. How you doing today, ma'am? All right. Some crazy stuff, ain't it? I'm gonna walk down a little bit, guys. I'm not gonna walk too far because I don't want to go down here too far and get where I can't walk back. But it's about 3 inches of water right here, but it keeps getting deeper. The further I go, the deeper it goes. And that's the other side that's one side of the road. This is the middle of the road. Well, used to be the road. It's not the road anymore. This is see that bridge way over there? Yeah, there's no getting to that. You see, I'm not gonna walk too much further because I just have to walk all the way back, and y'all can see what I'm looking at. It's something else. Look at that, guys. Hope you guys can hear me okay. I'm trying to be still with the camera, but the wind's blowing me back and forth. Hopefully the camera's alright and it ain't too bad. There we go, now we're back. I'm not gonna walk no further. You can hear, I can hear trees snapping off back behind me. We've been riding around for a little bit, and we was gonna go back through this way, but we can't make it back that way. So Dorian is not through yet here. I mean, it's still on the North Carolina coast right now. So we're gonna see what else we can see and film some stuff for you guys to show you some of the fury that Dorian packs here. This is the pack. This is the punch that Dorian packed right here, and Dorian is still wanting more. So yeah, that's crazy. You can see them. There's another road way over yonder. Y'all can see that bridge. Yeah, there's no getting to that bridge. So the inlet has moved all the way inland. I mean, it's just crazy. It's devastation, guys. I mean, that's it wasn't it was a category 2, and then it turned into a 1 when it got right on the outside of the North Carolina coast. And but this is still what it brought, a bunch of water. And it's not even high tide. That's the bad thing. It's low tide right now. High tide is not until later this afternoon or later this evening. So this is low tide. You imagine what it's going to do when it gets high tide. So yeah, it's not over with. All right, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed it. We're going to get some more footage and let y'all see what Dorian has in store. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, and always remember, keep them cameras rolling, baby. Look at this, guys. So much water. So much water. These critters, the creepy crawlies, has got to have somewhere to go, and they're trying to look for dry land. They're trying to look for dry land. There's a lot. I mean, they're everywhere, man. Look at this big one right here. Look at them in the water. They're everywhere in the water, guys. They're everywhere. Look at all of them. That's a big one right there. That looks like a damn snake. This is weird, man. I've never seen this many worms that's coming out of the ground. Look at this big one. They're trying to find some dry land. I mean, they're trying their damnedest to get out of this water. Because y'all got to remember, this is salt water. This is worms don't live in salt water. And if I had something to put them in, I'd probably keep some of them to go fishing. Some of the air pockets that's under the road are bubbling up. Check it out. I mean, these worms are everywhere, guys. I know some of the ladies out there, some of the women are going to be disgusted by that probably, but I'm a guy. I think it's awesome, or neat. Not really awesome, because they're trying to get out of the water. Look at this. Look at this stuff, just like a river. They're trying to get out to sea, and that's exactly what it's doing. It's going out that way, and it's going out to the open water. But I want y'all to look at these worms, man. That is so weird. Never seen so many worms, you know, out in the open like that. But they're trying to get to some dry land. Look at all of them. It looks like that's pine straw. I thought it was pine straw laying all over the road, but them are worms. All of those are worms, guys. Those are all worms. Every one of them. Look at that. They just littered the road. Is littered with them. All of them things there looks like sticks, but they're not, guys. They're not sticks at all. Sticks don't move. Wow. That is insane. That is freaking insane.